Where are we?
Fireworks.
Cool. What day is it?
Fireworks Day.
Fireworks Day.
It's what?
Fireworks Day.
Fireworks Day, yeah.
It's July 4th. Independence Day, huh?
Yeah.
You see the moon up there? Look at that.
But is it getting dark?
It is getting dark. What happens when it gets dark on Fireworks Day?
It goes up into the sky.
Yeah, and we see, what do we see up there?
Fireworks.
Yeah, are they so pretty? Yeah. Milena, are you excited? Milena.
What's that? What's that?
Oh, let's see. That's an American flag and the Washington Monument. And the Lincoln Memorial. And all the boats on the Potomac River. Ooh, and there's a soccer ball in the river. And all the kayaks. Maybe next year we can do the kayak out on the water. Ooh, that'd be fun, huh? Hey, Zay Zay. Hi, Zay Zay.
Hi, bud. You say happy 4th of July? You want to start walking today? Easy day to remember.
Mommy, what's that black thing?
That's called a Segway.